Welcome to part 87 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning English for travel emergencies. I hope you never need these phrases, but knowing them could make a huge difference. Let's start with a lost or stolen item. I'm sorry to bother you, but my bag has been stolen. I've lost my passport. What should I do? Could you tell me where the nearest police station is? I need to report a theft. Now, medical emergencies. I need a doctor. It's urgent. Please call an ambulance. I'm allergic to penicillin, always useful to know in English. I have a severe pain in my chest. I feel very dizzy and faint. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Now, travel problems. I've missed my flight. Can I rebook? My luggage hasn't arrived. Can you help? There's a problem with my hotel room. Could I speak with someone in English, please? Getting directions to help. Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the British consulate? Is there an English-speaking police officer? At the airport or station. I've been overcharged. This is not what I ordered. I need an interpreter, please. Stay calm, speak slowly, and use these phrases. Help is always closer when you know the words. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.